It's perfect. Trust me, it looks great on you.
This style looks big on everyone. Don't worry, it fits.
Trust me, it's what all the hip seniors are driving right now.
People get sold things every day they don't need or aren't the right fit for them. Investments like annuities are no different. One size does not fit all. They need to be suitable for your age and circumstance. Remember to consider these points before investing in any annuity. Make sure it fits within your financial goals. Know the difference between a CD and an annuity. They are not the same. Does it tie up your money for a long time? Are there large penalties for early withdrawal? Make sure the seller is properly licensed and the annuity is registered. Take your time. Don't be pressured and ask a lot of questions. Finally, verify before you buy. Contact the Oregon Department of Consumer Business Services for clear, objective information at 1-866-814-9710 or click protectyourmoneyoregon.org. Take charge. Protect your money.